Hello students, now I am going to teach you practice set 6.1 second question, and the first question is already discussed in the previous video. You can refer that. Diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter and the diameter is given as a 26 centimeter and the length of the chord of the circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. So firstly we will draw the figure. What is all been given that we will ready. Please draw with a pencil. I am drawing with a pen purposely so that it will be clearly visible for you all. Okay, the diameter of the circle 26 and the length of the chord of the circle. So I am drawing a chord here, that is 24 centimeter. They have said this is the chord. And find the distance of the chord from the center. This is a center, so we want to find this length here. Okay, and they said diameter of the circle is 26. So always remember, whenever such sum is there, we want a radius here to make a right angle triangle. So what I'll write it, diameter of a is 26 centimeter, right? So now what would be the radius? Radius is half of the diameter. So we will write it half into diameter. So half of 26 will be how much? That is 13. So we got radius as a 13 centimeter, right? Radius is 13 centimeter. So can we draw here? Yes, this is the radius. So this is 13. Now imagine this is we will consider, see, I name it A. AB is the chord and O is the center of the circle and M is the, what is this? OM is, we are going to write it, AB is the chord. We will write it, what all the information, AB is the chord, okay, and OB is the radius, okay, and we are saying that OM, let OM is perpendicular to AB. That means this becomes a 90 degree. Okay dear, let OM is perpendicular to AB, we have written. Now what we have to need to find out, we have to find out OM. Okay, we have to find, we will write it in this side here, find OM here so that it will be very clear for us. Okay, now what I am going to do, I need only this MB for this finding, making a right angle triangle. So what I am going to write it, what I can say about this one, the perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. That means क्या करता है, ये जो OM अब AB को आधे में काटता है, तो AM is equal to MB, तो MB 12 हो जाएगा. So we are supposed to write it that one. So we are going to write it here, AM, okay. Yeah, we want MB, na? We want MB here. So we will write it, MB is half of what? AB. AB का आधा है. Why we are writing this? Because the perpendicular, we have to write that for, you have to learn that theorem properly. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Okay, perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. So that is the reason it is half of it. So we will get it what? Half of AB. AB kitna hai dear? 24. So we have cut it, so it has become 12. So MB is 12 centimeter. We got it. Now can you find in triangle OMB? You can see a right angle triangle. In right angled triangle, we will write it in right angle. Why I am saying right angled? Because there is a 90 degree. Right angled triangle OMB. Here we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is what? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. This is what the Pythagoras theorem says. So we say Pythagoras theorem. Okay dear. And now I am writing, what is our hypotenuse? You can see hypotenuse is how much given? 13. So I write it here in the place of hypotenuse 13 square. Base I am having it, half of it, that is 12 square. Just now I found it. I need to find height. Height का नाम क्या है? OM. I am writing here OM the square. Okay. Now 13 square is how much? 169 equals to 144 12 square plus OM square. Now I take a 144 to the other side, 169 minus 144. So that's the OM square, I left it. So 169 minus 144 is 25. equals to OM square. Now can I take the square root both the sides? Yes. So what will happen? OM square OM बन जाएगा. 25 का square root is 5. What we have done? Taken is what? Taking square root both the sides. We have to write the reason always both the sides. So what is OM? OM is to be found out now. The distance of the chord from the center. Remember, from the center. ये जो distance है हमें find out करना है. So finally we will write the answer. Answer, the distance of the chord from the center is, the distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. Is it or not? Yes. Our question, radius of the circle is 34 centimeter. Okay, radius is given and the distance of the chord from the center is, from the center, that means it is what is this, height is given as a 30 centimeter. Find the length of the chord. That means we need to find the chord here. Okay, firstly we will draw it roughly. We always get a what is this, good idea when we draw the figure properly. See here, this is the center of the circle, right? Now, the radius of the circle is 34 given. So, we will draw a chord here and what is this? The distance of the chord from the center. From the center it is coming, Nadia. This is how much they have given is 30 centimeter. And the radius, this is the radius? Yes, that is 34 given. Find the length of the chord, the whole they have asked. But firstly what we will do, we will find from here to here, this part. Once we founded this one, then we can double it this one. Okay, that is because of the properties of a chord. I'll discuss later now. Firstly, what we will consider, this much you understood everyone. Let's start with this one here. So first, what all been given, we will write it. Before that, we have to name it. It's AB and this is O and this is M here. We are going to find the base square. Okay, dear, with the help of the formula. So what I'm going to do, I'm write whatever it's given, that we will write it. Radius. What is the name of the radius here? OB. Radius OB equals to how much given? 34 centimeter. Right? And what else given? And the OM. OM is how much given? It's 30 centimeter given. Now we are writing, let OM is perpendicular. That means 90 degree to AB. The chord AB. Okay, the chord, what is the chord? AB is the chord here. That we will also write it again. I should write before this. AB is the chord here. Written this much. AB is the chord we have written. Now we are writing what? In triangle. What triangle, dear? Right angle to triangle. Sorry, in right angled triangle. The name of the triangle is what? OMB. Okay. Now we are writing hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. Right? We have written. Now I can write the values. What is the hypotenuse? The 34 square equals to base. Base square I am not having, so I am writing MB the square plus height square I know 30 square. Right? So now 34 square. If you do the 34 square, you will get 1156. That is 1156 equal to MB square plus 30 square is 900. I'll take this 900 to the other side. So it becomes a subtraction sign here, 900 equal to MB square. Please write it here, Pythagoras theorem. Always write the reasons. Reasons are expected. Why we are writing this all? Okay, so 1156 minus 900. If you subtract it, you will get 256 equal to MB square. Now we can take the square root. We are going to take the square root for this. MB square will become MB and 256 ka square root is 16. So what we have done, taking square root. We have taken a square root. Okay, taking square root. Is it or not? Now we got MB. This much we got it. But they have asked fully MB na. So what is this MB? क्या होता है? Double of. Sorry, AB is double of MB. 2 times. दो गुना होता है. Why it is? Because the perpendicular to the drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. That is the reason. So we are going to write it. Okay. We want a AB. AB is, okay, We can write it in one more way also, but I'm writing this way. We want AB. AB is what? 2 times. A लिखना है तो भी लिखो 2 times MB. You can write it like this. AB जो है 2 गुना है MB का, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. और you can write it like this also. AM equals to MB equals to, what is this? Half of AB. Half of AB. So I am writing this because this will be more easy to understand. If you can skip this one, you can skip it. Okay. Then you will write it. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle. You have to write the reason. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Bisects the chord. So what we are going to do? We are going to write it. Now what we have written 2 into, we will omit this one, 2 into MB. MB कितना मिला है? 16. तो 2 गुना है ना, 2 into 16. 2 into MB, MB is 16. So how much we got? 32. So we got AB as a 32. So what is the final answer? Find the length of the chord. So answer, the length of the chord is, the length of the chord is 32 centimeter. Okay, of the chord. Length of the chord is 32 centimeter. So this is the way we have to find out the answers. Let's see the fourth question. Radius of a circle with center O is 41 units. Length of the chord PQ is 80 units. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. See my dear, we will draw a figure, then it will be a clear picture for us. See, this is a circle. And they said the center is O. See, whenever they have told to give the names of this which is mentioned, that only we have to give. And the chord name is PQ. So I have mentioned it chord PQ, right? And find the distance of the chord from the center. So this is to be found. Okay, ये find out करना है. And the what is the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle is, how much it is given? 41 units. Okay, 41. And the chord is 80 units. Right, my dear? Yes. Now, what is this? The chord PQ is 80 means we will name it this as a M. So MQ will be what? Half of it or not? Yes. Before that we need to have this as a 90 degree. Okay, dear. So what I am going to write it now. I have written radius of a circle is 41 units and the length of the chord is 80 units. After that you will write, we want MQ. Okay, before that we will write, let, what is this? OM is, this name is M. M is perpendicular to PQ. That is a chord PQ. Okay, dear. Now in this we want MQ. So MQ is half of, MQ जो है half of PQ. Why this is? Because perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisects the chord. Okay, we have written this. Then we are writing MQ is equal to half of PQ. What is PQ? We have just now written here into 80. So how much you get? MQ is 40 units. So did we get this part? Yes, we got this as a 40. Now can we have a base and we have a hypotenuse? Can we find a height here? Yes. So by Pythagoras theorem, in right angled triangle, what is the name of the triangle? Can you tell me? Right angled triangle name is OMQ. Now in this we are writing hypotenuse square equals to height, base square plus height square. Base square plus height square. So here hypotenuse we have a 41 square. So we write 41 square equal to base, we know 40, and height we are not knowing, but we know the name OM square. Okay, now 41 square is 1681. Okay, E equal to 40 square is 1600 plus OM the square. 1681 minus this 1600 come to this side and E equals to OM square. So when I subtract, I'll get 81 OM square. So when taking a square root, I am going to take a square root here. Taking square root, both the sides. So 81 will become 9 and OM square will become OM. So what did we get? OM, the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 9 centimeter. So it is asked find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So final answer, the distance of the chord, okay, from the center of the circle is how much centimeter, my dear? It's 9. Sorry, it's units we have to write. They have used the units everywhere. Can you all see the sum here? They have used a unit, so we are also going to use the units at the end here. So my dear, if you observe this exercise, everything based on the Pythagoras theorem, you need to understand what the value is given. So with this, we can easily solve the sum if the figure is very clear to you all. Thank you, my dear.